HOWO TX 371 horsepowers 8 for concrete mixer truck, heavy-duty construction, transportation vehicle. 1 key ignition startup, stable engine ignition, hydraulic system starts running, mixing drum begins slow clockwise rotation, flexible speed adjustment, free forward and reverse rotation control, stable braking system, quick and reliable temporary parking. 8.4 heavy-duty chassis, strong load-bearing capacity, for long-distance transportation, wear-resistant mixing drum, effectively prevents concrete solidification, integrated hydraulic drive system, low failure rate and long service life, humanized driving path, wide vision and comfortable riding space, independent drum control lever, easy to operate feeding, mixing and discharging, central control panel with clear data display. HOWO TX 371 horsepowers mixer truck, durable, efficient, reliable global construction partner. Contact us, get a quotation.